Hello, children. How are you today? I'm excited to finally be able to hear from you all. I'm sure you are keeping safe. I'm quite sure you have missed school as much as I do. But do not worry. In a short while, we'll be back to school to start enjoying our lessons. Okay. I'm sure you know this is Mr. Ademola. I'll be your civic education instructor throughout our online learning period. Is that okay? So, before we start, let's ask ourselves some questions based on previous lessons taught. And the question is, what is civic education? What is civic education? Alright, so civic education is a study of the theoretical, political, and practical aspects of citizenship as well as its rights and duties. Alright, so that is clear now that we refreshed our memory about what civic education is all about. So let's go ahead with today's lesson. Right? Are you ready? Alright, good. So today we shall be looking at the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC. So, have you heard the word OPEC before? So what comes to your mind when you hear about OPEC? What comes to your mind first? I'd like to know. Alright, so in simple terms, OPEC is an association of countries that produce and export petroleum products. Alright, so with this, which country comes to your mind first? When you think about countries that produce and export petroleum products, which one comes to your mind first? I'm sure some of you are already thinking about Nigeria. And if that is your thought, then you're definitely right. Nigeria is one of OPEC members. Alright, so today we shall be looking at a brief background history of OPEC, and two, we'll also be looking at the objectives of OPEC, and of course lastly we shall be looking at the members of OPEC, countries that are members of OPEC. They are not so much. So today, OPEC is an economic business outfit. It was founded in Baghdad, Iraq on 14 September 1960. OPEC was formed to unify the thought. Okay, quickly. The 7 industries are the Anglo-industrial area. So what you can do while the lesson is going on is just for you to try and pause from time to time so that you can actually read the content. I won't be able to read all of it as the video is playing. Alright, so but while you are going through it, you can pause from time to time to be able to grasp everything. So here are the 13 members countries in OPEC at the moment. At the point in time, there were more than 13 actually, but some opted at us, which I'll see later on in the lesson. So we're moving on to the people that left OPEC. All right, so the following countries were members of were once members of the organization. All right, so Ecuador left in 1992, came back and left again in January 2020. All right, so the next one is Indonesia. They left the organization in year 2016. All right, so third on the list is Qatar. Qatar left the organization in 2019. All right, so before we move on to the next objective, kindly answer some questions. All right, I'll be back shortly.